Rolex has dominated luxury watch conversations for decades, but cracks are appearing in the crown's monopoly. Smart collectors are quietly shifting their investments toward brands offering better value, superior finishing, and authentic horological excellence without impossible waitlists and dealer games. These watch brands deliver craftsmanship that matches or exceeds Rolex, while treating customers with respect rather than contempt. The watch world is waking up to the reality that the Rolex premium often pays for marketing rather than manufacturing excellence. Today we're revealing the 10 watch brands quietly taking over as collectors realize Rolex isn't the only game in town. Number 10. Tudor, 2000-5000. Tudor starts our list as the brand proving that Rolex DNA doesn't require Rolex pricing or waitlist frustration, creating accessible alternative. This Rolex-owned manufacturer delivers exceptional build quality with manufacture movements at half the cost of parent companies' offerings. The Black Bay collection features vintage-inspired aesthetics with modern reliability, appealing to collectors seeking character beyond clinical Rolex perfection. Manufacture caliber MT5602 with 70 hours power reserve and silicon balance. Spring offers specifications matching Rolex at fraction of pricing. Kioski chronometer certification confirms accuracy standards, while case finishing and bracelet quality rival luxury competitors, costing significantly more money. Authorized dealer availability remains excellent, with most references obtainable within weeks rather than years, creating refreshing buying experience. The snowflake hands create distinctive Tudor identity, separating these watches from direct Rolex comparisons, while maintaining family resemblance throughout. Secondary market values remain stable, with minimal premiums reflecting healthy supply-demand balance, rather than artificial scarcity manipulation tactics. Collectors increasingly recognize Tudor delivers 90% of Rolex experience at 50% of cost without games or waitlists. The brand's independence from Rolex hype creates space for genuine watch enthusiasts, rather than status-seeking speculators ruining hobby. Number 9. Grand Seiko, 4000-10,000. Grand Seiko takes the 9th position as the Japanese manufacturer, exposing Swiss finishing markups with obsessive attention to detail. The Zaratsu polishing technique creates distortion-free mirror surfaces exceeding Rolex quality, while costing significantly less at comparable specifications. Spring drive technology offers unique sweeping seconds motion with GPS-like accuracy of plus or minus 10 seconds, monthly destroying mechanical competition. Dial finishing featuring textures inspired by Japanese nature creates visual depth and artistry that sterile Rolex dials simply cannot match. The 9S85 high beat movement, running at 36,000 VPH, delivers chronometer-level accuracy with 55 hours power reserve and obsessive hand finishing. Case construction with sharp bevels and perfect surface transitions showcases manufacturing excellence that Rolex reserves for precious metal references only. 7-year warranties demonstrate confidence in quality and reliability far exceeding industry standard 2 or 3-year coverage from luxury competitors. Western collectors increasingly discover Grand Seiko represents better value than Swiss alternatives at similar pricing with superior finishing throughout. The brand suffered from poor marketing historically, but word of mouth from collectors, recognizing quality drives exponential growth currently. Grand Seiko proves that Swiss watchmaking doesn't hold monopoly on excellence, challenging assumptions about geographic superiority in horology. Number 8. Omega, 5,000-10,000. Omega claims the 8th spot as the brand delivering cutting-edge technology that makes Rolex movements look outdated by comparison. The coaxial master chronometer movement offers superior magnetic resistance to 15,000 Gauss, making Rolex's 1,000 Gauss protection look pathetic. Meta's certification requires 8 rigorous tests, including extreme magnetism, accuracy, and water resistance, exceeding COSC chronometer standards significantly. The Speedmaster Moonwatch carries genuine space exploration heritage, while Rolex marketing fabricates adventure connections without authentic historical achievements. Authorized dealer availability remains good with reasonable wait times, for most references creating civilized buying experience, respecting customers appropriately. Secondary market premiums remain modest, reflecting healthy supply, allowing collectors to acquire desired references without extreme speculation and flipping. The Seamaster collection delivers dive watch capability with refined finishing at pricing undercutting Submariner, while offering superior specifications throughout. Omega's Olympic and James Bond partnerships provide authentic cultural relevance beyond Rolex's increasingly desperate celebrity endorsement strategy, clearly. 7-year warranties on newer movements demonstrate confidence in reliability, while Rolex maintains outdated 5-year coverage, showing complacency clearly. Collectors recognize Omega delivers superior technology and value, while Rolex coasts on decades-old movement architecture and brand recognition alone. Number 7. Oris, 2000-5000. Oris secures the 7th position as the independent Swiss brand, punching dramatically above its weight with in-house innovation and value. The Caliber 400 in-house movement offers 5-day power reserve with 10-year service intervals and 10-year warranty, revolutionizing ownership economics. Anti-magnetic properties exceeding 2,250 Gauss ensure reliability in modern environments, while elevated accuracy rivals chronometer-certified movements from competitors. Independent ownership means profits fund innovation rather than conglomerate shareholders, creating watches for enthusiasts rather than investors and flippers. The Aquis Dive Watch collection delivers 300-meter water resistance with ceramic bezels at pricing destroying Rolex Submariner value proposition completely. Limited production ensures quality control while avoiding artificial scarcity games that Rolex employs, manipulating demand and frustrating genuine watch enthusiasts. The brand's environmental and social initiatives, including ocean cleanup and conservation partnerships, demonstrate values beyond profit maximization alone. Authorized dealer relationships remain healthy with fair allocation and respectful customer treatment, rather than favoritism and gray market feeding. Collectors appreciate transparent pricing and availability, creating genuine enthusiasm rather than FOMO-driven speculation ruining the hobby currently. Oris proves independence enables innovation and customer focus that conglomerate-owned brands simply cannot match when prioritizing shareholder returns. Number 6. Zenith, 6,000-15,000. Zenith takes the 6th spot as the manufacturer delivering high-beat chronograph excellence that exposes Rolex Daytona movement limitations dramatically. The El Primero movement beating at 36,000 Tours VPH measures 1/10 second, with column wheel construction representing pinnacle of chronograph engineering. Integrated bracelet sport chronographs, like Chronomaster Sport, deliver Daytona aesthetics with superior movement at fraction of secondary market pricing. LVMH ownership provides resources for innovation while maintaining independence from mass-market Rolex mentality, prioritizing volume over excellence clearly. The brand's chronograph heritage, dating to 1969, with first automatic chronograph movement, provides authentic horological significance beyond marketing fabrications. DeFi collection pushes boundaries with 1/100th second chronograph capability and innovative materials showcasing commitment to advancement rather than stagnation. Authorized dealer availability remains reasonable with most references obtainable within months, rather than decade-long waitlists destroying customer relationships permanently. Secondary market values remain rational, reflecting genuine supply-demand balance rather than artificial manipulation, creating sustainable collecting rather than speculation. Collectors recognizing chronograph quality increasingly question why Daytona commands premiums when El Primero offers superior engineering at lower cost. Zenith proves that heritage and innovation create compelling value proposition that Rolex's marketing machine cannot overcome among educated collectors. Number 5. Breitling, 4,000-10,000. Breitling claims the 5th position as the aviation watch specialist, delivering genuine functionality that Rolex GMT merely imitates for fashion. The manufacturer Caliber Bezo-1 chronograph movement with 70 hours power reserve and column wheel construction rivals movements costing significantly more. The Navitimer's slide rule bezel provides actual calculation capability, rather than decorative elements masquerading as functionality on Rolex bezels. QOSC chronometer certification across entire lineup ensures accuracy standards, while 5-year warranties demonstrate confidence in reliability and quality throughout. The brand's aviation heritage, with genuine pilot tool watch history, creates authentic positioning rather than manufactured adventure marketing clearly. Recent design evolution under George Kern modernized aesthetics while maintaining brand DNA, appealing to contemporary collectors seeking refined, sporty watches. Authorized dealer availability remains good with reasonable wait times and respectful customer treatment rather than games and favoritism plaguing Rolex. Secondary market values remain stable without extreme speculation, reflecting healthy collector interest rather than investment-driven artificial demand clearly visible. The Chronomat and Super Ocean collections deliver integrated bracelet sport watch aesthetics at pricing-destroying Rolex value proposition for rational buyers. Breitling proves that authentic tool watch heritage, combined with manufacture movement excellence, creates compelling alternative to overpriced, overhyped Rolex offerings. Number 4. Jaeger-LeCoultre, 8,000, 30,000. Jaeger-LeCoultre takes the 4th spot as the manufacturer delivering haute horlogerie complications that expose Rolex's simple movement limitations completely. The Reverso's iconic flipping case represents genuine design innovation rather than incremental bezel color changes defining Rolex product development currently. In-house movement production for virtually every component showcases vertical integration exceeding Rolex's partial outsourcing to ETA and other suppliers. The Master Control Collection delivers time-only elegance with finishing quality that makes Rolex Oyster Perpetual look like mass-produced commodity. Ultra-thin movements measuring under 3 mm thickness demonstrate engineering excellence that thick Rolex calibers simply cannot approach technically or aesthetically. The 1,000 hours control testing exceeds QOSC chronometer standards, significantly ensuring reliability and accuracy beyond industry norms throughout ownership. Richmond ownership provides resources while maintaining independence from volume pressures, allowing focus on quality rather than quarterly production targets. The brand's grand complications showcase watchmaking mastery with perpetual calendars and minute repeaters that Rolex abandoned decades ago commercially. Collectors seeking genuine horological excellence increasingly recognize JLC delivers superior craftsmanship at pricing comparable to or below Rolex day-date. Jaeger-LeCoultre proves that manufacture excellence and complication mastery create value that Rolex's marketing budget cannot replicate among serious collectors. Number 3. A. Lange & Söhne, 20,000 to 100,000 plus. A. Lange & Söhne secures the bronze medal as the German manufacturer, delivering finishing quality that makes Rolex look like mass-market production. The hand-assembled movements with German silver bridges and hand-engraved balance cocks represent artisanal watchmaking at its absolute pinnacle. The outsized date mechanism with perfectly aligned numerals showcases attention to detail that Rolex's simple date wheels completely lack. Double assembly process with movements assembled twice, ensuring perfect adjustment, demonstrates obsessive quality control Rolex abandoned for volume production. The Saxony and 1815 collections deliver dress watch elegance, with finishing that collectors recognize as vastly superior to Rolex offerings. Lange's 3/4 plate movement architecture creates distinctive aesthetics, visible through exhibition casebacks, showcasing German engineering philosophy clearly. Limited production ensures quality remains uncompromised, unlike Rolex's volume-focused manufacturing prioritizing quantity over ultimate excellence throughout production. The brand's post-reunification revival represents triumph of craftsmanship over communist industrial mediocrity, inspiring collectors seeking authentic stories beyond marketing. Collectors comparing Lange finishing to Rolex day-date immediately recognize the massive quality gap, justifying price premiums for German excellence. A. Lange & Söhne proves that ultimate finishing and hand assembly create value that Rolex's industrial production cannot match. Number 2. Vacheron Constantin, 20,000, 100,000 up plus. Vacheron Constantin claims the runner-up position as the oldest continuously operating manufacturer delivering Geneva Seal excellence throughout 270 years. The Overseas collection delivers integrated bracelet sports watch aesthetics, with finishing quality exponentially exceeding Rolex Nautilus-inspired designs clearly visible. Geneva Seal certification requires hand-finishing standards and Swiss component requirements that Rolex's superlative chronometer designation doesn't approach technically. The Patrimony and Traditionnel collections showcase haute horlogerie, finishing with beveled edges and hand-polished surfaces that Rolex reserves for precious metal. In-house movement production, with complications, including perpetual calendars and tourbillons, demonstrates technical mastery Rolex abandoned for volume simplicity. The interchangeable strap system on Overseas allows quick changes without tools providing functionality that Rolex's proprietary systems deliberately restrict. Richemont ownership provides resources while maintaining independence from volume pressures, allowing focus on ultimate quality rather than mass production. Collectors, recognizing finishing quality, increasingly question why Rolex commands premiums when Vacheron delivers vastly superior craftsmanship at comparable pricing. The brand's boutique-only distribution for many references ensures controlled quality customer experience rather than gray market chaos plaguing Rolex. Vacheron Constantin proves that Geneva tradition and finishing mastery create value that Rolex's marketing machine cannot overcome among discerning collectors. Number 1. Patek Philippe, 30,000, 500,000 plus. Taking the top spot as the brand truly replacing Rolex in collectors' minds is Patek Philippe, the ultimate expression of Swiss watchmaking. The Calatrava represents pure dress watch perfection, with finishing quality that makes Rolex's polishing look industrial and mass-produced by comparison. The Nautilus, despite impossible wait lists, delivers integrated bracelet aesthetics with hand finishing throughout that Rolex's brushed oyster cases cannot remotely approach. Perpetual calendar complications with properly engineered mechanisms lasting lifetimes demonstrate technical mastery that Rolex abandoned for simple date wheels. The Geneva Seal certification combined with Patek Philippe Seal requires finishing standards exceeding anything Rolex attempts in their most expensive references. In-house production for virtually every component, including hairsprings, ensures complete control over quality that Rolex's partial outsourcing compromises significantly. The brand's museum, showcasing 500 years of watchmaking history, demonstrates heritage that Rolex's 120-year existence simply cannot match historically. Patek Philippe's complicated watches, including minute repeaters and tourbillons, showcase what true haute horlogerie means versus Rolex's simple sports watches. The intergenerational marketing of "you never actually own a Patek Philippe" resonates with collectors seeking heirlooms rather than flipping opportunities.